What are the odds of that? SubhanAllah. It's a proper highway car. It needs smooth roads. It's a lot better than the gearbox is. This car beats that. Alright. Oh god, yeah, I almost smashed the window that bit. The gears work much better in high speeds. In low gears, it doesn't like it. This really is a race car. Not like that. But like I said, it needs service. Watch the shift. Yeah, it's a bit more notchy. No, I'm gonna let it slow down by itself. First is so much nicer. It's not going here. I think it's gone, you know. It's not going in gear. The clutch is gone, you know. I think it's the clutch, not the gearbox. I'll start the car and do it. It's just not going in. What are the odds of that? SubhanAllah. That's nuts, that is. Oh wow, it's gone. Crazy way to die. Let me turn the car off. Wow. Died. Oh. Yeah. Works. I'm glad it's happened. I'm so chuffed right now, honestly. Like, I'm so glad that it's happened now. Wow, what are the chances of that? It's like people would say, we jinxed it by saying this car's done so well. Then next minute, I can't get it in gear. The only way we managed to get this car moving to go HQ is off the car, put it in gear, start the car in gear, put the clutch and the gas, and you're able to move off. So in this coincidence, we did it, but for some reason it is changing gears, but not from stationary. I'm not sure what the problem is. Is it the clutch? Is it the gearbox? It's one of those two things, but recently it has been quite notchy, a bit stiff. It's been crunching so many times. In most gears, some gears is smooth transitions, and sometimes it was tough. But now, when we stop at stationary, take it out of gear to neutral, it won't go back in gear. Yeah, I can't believe that. Oh, nah. Oh, did it? Go fourth gear. It works fine. See? Third gear. So basically, we can't get it in gear. It won't go first gear. It won't go second gear. I'm not sure what the problem is. To move the car, we have to put it in off the car, put it in gear, start the car and jump it. That's the only way it will work. I'm not sure if it's the clutch, slave cylinder, master cylinder, or it's the gearbox. It was grinding quite a lot I don't know whether the gearbox needs service. I'm not sure what it is, but it's a sad day today. Alhamdulillah, but at least it happened now. I'm not anywhere far at a car show. The car still runs, but like I said, it's just it could be a big problem, but hopefully it gets fixed really quick. But it is what it is. We've got it back into the unit, and all I can say is that it is what it is, and it's going to lead to better things. Because if it is the clutch, yeah, we'll get an operated clutch. Obviously it's already a triple plate clutch already, but it'll just be a new one, peace of mind. And if it's the gearbox, we might even go sequential, who knows. But at the moment it is what it is. We can't drive the car right now, and you know, I'm just so glad that we're able to make it back to the HQ, find out what the issue is. I've got a Skyline R33 GTST. I was driving and then I went to neutral, and then as I was trying to go back into gear, it won't go back into.
You can't get it into gear, out of gear.
You start the car up, I can't go into first gear or second gear, but if I off the car and I put it in gear and start the car in gear, it will jump and then it will start moving.
Yeah, sounds like your clutch is knackered.
The clutch is knackered, yeah.
Yeah.
So it's got a triple plate clutch. The car's running around 700 brake horsepower. How much am I talking?
Yeah, the clutch itself's probably like 15 to 1700 quid.
Okay, and with labour?
Probably around
2,500. Okay, alright, that's fine. When would you be free?
December.
December?
Yeah.
Oh my god, okay.
Alright, yeah. Let us
cheers.
know, man.
Oh, thank you, cheers. Alright, bye. 2.5 grand. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Drop a comment, tell me what you think, share the knowledge, and I really appreciate all your help. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Peace.